Hey everyone, so in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to convert grams to atoms. So in chemistry we often measure a substance by mass in grams, but chemical reactions happen at the atomic level with atoms, molecules, or ions. So to fully understand the chemical formulas and reactions, we need to know how to convert between grams and atoms. So for the first example, let's just say we have 10 grams of carbon and we want to convert it to atoms. So for question 1, let's say 10 grams of carbon and we want to convert it to atoms. So to do this, first we need to find the molar mass of carbon, which is 12.01 grams, and we have to get it in moles. So we multiply by 1 mole over 12.01 grams. This way the grams will cancel and we'll be left with moles on the top. And now that we have moles, we can multiply by Avogadro's number. So we take the moles and we multiply it by 6.022 times 10 to the 23. And we're left with 5.02 times 10 to the 23 atoms. Now remember, we can only multiply by Avogadro's number if we have moles. So that's why we had to use the molar mass. Let's try another example. Let's say that we have 20 grams of NaCl. And we want to convert it to atoms. So we find the molar mass of NaCl, which when you look through the periodic table is 58.44 grams per mole. We have to get moles, so we put moles on the top over 58.44 grams on the bottom. The grams are going to cancel. And then now that we have moles, we multiply by Avogadro's number. And we're left with 2.06 times 10 to the 23. Now, since NaCl is ionic, technically it is better to say formal units than atoms, but I don't know which of you will be on the hook for that with your teachers or which won't be. So atoms or formal units, whatever, I'll leave it blank. Now let's do one last question together and then I'll give you a few to do on your own. Let's say we have 5 grams of helium and we want to convert it to atoms. So we go 5 grams of helium. We need to get the molar mass of helium, which is 4.00 grams per mole. So 1 mole on the top over 4.00 grams. The grams are going to cancel. And then we multiply by Avogadro's number since now we're in moles. And we're left with 7.53 times 10 to the 23 atoms. Now I'll give you a few to try on your own. Pause the video and try them on your own. But then when you come back, we'll do them together. So 36 grams of H2O. And then for the other problem, let's do 2 grams of, actually let's go 100 grams, no, let's go 2 grams of hydrogen. Okay, so pause the video, try them on your own. But when you come back, you'll see that for the first problem, the molar mass of H2O is 18.02. So we go times 1 mole over 18.02 grams. And then we multiply it by Avogadro's number. And we're going to be left with 1.2 times 10 to the 24 molecules. Or atoms, whichever you want to say. And then for the second question, the molar mass of H2 is 2.02, it's 2.02. So we multiply it by 1 mole over 2.02 grams. The grams cancel, we're left with moles. And then now that we have moles, we can use Avogadro's number. And we're going to be left with 1.19 times 10 to the 24 atoms. So a few quick tips to remember. Always go through moles when converting grams to atoms. That's the only way you can use Avogadro's number. Use the periodic table for molar mass, round to 2 decimal places so it's accurate. And don't forget your units. That way you know what cancels and you can visually see if you're doing it right. I hope this video helped. Thank you.